Welcome guys, in this video you're going to learn how to protect a Google form with a password. This is useful, for example, if you are posting a form on a public website, but you only want specific people to be able to answer this form. So over here I have a title and two questions. So the first step is to click on the title and then click on Add Section. This means that this title will be in one section and then the other questions will be in the second section. And then in the first section, I'm going to add another question, and then I'm going to type the question. Then I have to make it short answer. So over here I have response validation. If I want it to be pin, then over here I'd have to select number, and over here I'd have to select equal to, and then I'll type in the pin and the custom error text. If I want it to be a password, then over here I'd have to change it to regular expression, and instead of contains I'd have to select matches, and then I'll insert the password right here. I'm going to test the form. I entered a wrong password and it didn't let me continue. So now I'm going to type in the correct password. As you can see, it let me continue. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.